How to create a public Snapchat story. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now go ahead and take a snap, add the photo or the video, or also you can choose from the gallery. If you want to do so, click on this Memories tab. Now go ahead and select the picture or the video. Then click on the option of Send to. Different options will appear. At the top side, you will find this section of stories. Under that, you're gonna get two options: My Story, Friends Only, and My Story, Public. As you wanna set your story to the public, check in for the option of Public. Now your friends, followers, and everyone will be able to see your story. Now you can click on this arrow icon and upload it. So this way you can easily create a public Snapchat story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.